Today we're going to be looking at the X5 series from Wanbo. This is a video projector, 1080p, it does support 4K, it has 2 built-in speakers, it operates on Android and does support apps like Netflix, Disney+, all that stuff can be added onto it. Plus this is their brightest projector yet, so it's fantastic in the daylight and nighttime. So we're going to set it up, we're going to test it, I'm going to talk a little bit more about the features, we're going to actually see it in action and see how great this projector actually is. Let's go. So first thing to note is they do have an adapter on the bottom for you to actually set up on a tripod. So that's how I set the projector up. Now the S5 is set up to work with Google Home. So once you download the app and get connected, it gives you complete control from your phone and personalizes the whole experience. So something that sets this projector apart from many other projectors is the fact that it has this incredible autofocus. So if you move the projector or relocate it, it resets every single time. You do have access to the controls through the image correcting tab. It will allow you to do the picture focus, auto keystone, where it will actually reshape the image to make sure that it stays square and that it's not wonky or funky on the wall. And as you can see, it doesn't matter how many times you reset it up, that autofocus kicks in and comes out perfect and crisp and clear every single time. Another great feature is the screen zoom. So this is actually going to allow you to resize the screen for what you need. So if you have something existing on a wall and you're trying to dodge that, you can just lower it down. Or maybe you just don't want the screen as big because your kids are watching it. This is fantastic because it really puts the control in your hands. So as you can see, the image is super vivid and clear, and that's in the daytime and ambient light. So right now it is daytime, you can see the light coming through my window. You can change settings on the actual image like vivid and standard to make that image pop a little more if you need. And the innovation of having apps like HBO, Hulu, Disney+, Netflix, YouTube, all in the same machine, it allows you to have access to pretty much everything that's out there without having to have around. So this really just allows you to immerse yourself in your favorite shows and movies. It really does have stunning visuals with HD quality, rich detail, and I've even got YouTube going on here online with 4K decoding. And with those features like autofocus, auto keystone correction, the obstacle avoidance, and auto screen fit, really makes this projector super easy to set up. Probably a lot easier than a lot of others on the market, because you can just achieve crystal clear visuals in seconds and you don't have to do manual focuses, everything's just automated. So the last thing I absolutely love about this projector is the fact that it has built-in speakers. There's two 5-watt speakers and they are plenty loud enough. I don't even have this up at full volume right now and it's just setting the vibe. So that is the fantastic projector with that Google Home integration, the super bright, crisp, clear light that's projected onto whatever surface you want to put it on. It's great nighttime and daytime. You have access to all your apps and it's on Android, and with the autofocus and the keystone correction, it's an incredibly easy projector to just set up and take with you wherever you want to go. So in saying that, we're going to leave a link below in case you want to grab one for yourself. Please like, share and comment if you found this helpful, and hit subscribe for more reviews like this.